The $50 rig that changed my shooting game. Everyone thinks you need a $5,000 camera to get buttery cinematic shots. I didn't. I used a $50 rig and it changed my perspective on everything. This is why it matters. Filmmaking isn't just about gear, but comfort matters. A rig stabilizes your shots, gives you better handheld control, and makes your camera feel like an extension of your body. My rig. Shoulder rig frame off Amazon, $35. Small counterweight, $10. DIY foam padding, $5. Done. For $50, my handheld shots went from student film shaky to smooth, controlled cinematic motion. When cheap beats expensive. A $1,000 gimbal is great if you know how to use it, but cheap rigs force you to learn camera movement first, which makes you a better filmmaker in the end. Don't let budget hold you back. Build what you can, learn the craft, and you can upgrade later. The rig didn't just change my shots, it changed my confidence on set, and then I knew what to do when I had better equipment later on that have in-camera stabilization and the whole works. You can start on your phone, you can start on a Panasonic, you can start on a toaster, it doesn't matter. Just get filming. And I'll see you guys in the next one.